Welcome to the first episode of On Point Outdoors. Today we will be fishing in a permanent ice house out on Lake George and fishing for crappies with some unusual baits. So stay tuned and I hope you enjoy the show. We are out here on Lake George fishing crappies. Oh, here comes one. Yeah, we're using a bobber rod here. And come on, I'm hoping this fish comes up. They're not super aggressive today, not like yesterday. Yesterday we did pretty good. This morning we did pretty good. I don't know what's up with the fish right now though. Fishing minnow on this one with a pink demon. And on the other one, there's a VMC tumbler spoon. I might switch over to a VMC chandelier jig here. But I don't know. I'm gonna see how the bite goes. Been out here since. Been out here pretty much all day. Got here around 7. Fishing this morning was really good. I just can't. Oh, there goes my bobber rod. There goes my bobber. There we go. There we go. There's a crappie. There we go, guys. There we go. There's some action for you. There we go. Got him. There we go, guys. Finally got one. There we go, guys. See? Right here. Got the pink demon in his mouth. Let's get that out. There's I would say a nice crappie. Ooh, got one on my other rod too. There you go. Where'd that guy go? Not really up to keep a bunch of fish. I'm gonna keep a couple for the frying pan for home tonight. I'm in a permanent house out on Lake George. We're around the center of the lake. That's where most of the people are. That's where all the action has been. Oh shoot. There we go. That's a nice one. This is a nice fish. Nice fish. Oh my god, whatever this is nice. Oh my god, yes. This is a really nice fish, guys. I don't know what this is. I don't know what it is. Oh, it's big. It's big. Ooh, it's big. It's really big. Oh, it's northern. It's northern. It's northern. Nope. Gotta get him. Go. Yeah, it's a nice northern. I think I might have to get wet for this one. Oh, no, there he goes. There he goes. Oh, he's gonna make another run. Make another run. It's a nice northern. Come on. Go. Oh, yeah. Look at that. Look at that. Shoot. Got a crap ton of fish down there. bunch of crappies and stuff. Come on. Put that guy down. Nope, nope. I made the mistake of not grabbing the pliers before I came. Oh shoot, I got a crappie too. Got a crappie. Got him. Just a little guy. Right on the minnow with the demon jig. Let's let that guy go. God, I should be really getting down there. I'm sure I have a pliers somewhere. Gosh dang it. Oh, yes. Came out of his mouth. I'm lucky. Stop popping. Stop popping. Okay. My hook came out of his mouth. That's lucky for me. Nice big northern right here, guys. Really good northern. I'm gonna let him go now. And he goes out. He goes down perfectly. He's gone. There he goes. Go. There he goes. Okay. Gotta get back down there. There's a shit ton of crappies down there. And I am figuring I want to catch a bunch more, so. So many. I haven't seen this many crappies down there all day long. The color tumbler spoon I'm using is a pink, and I prefer pink because for some reason pink has been doing amazing for me this year. Pink, my favorite two colors to fish are pink and orange. Oh man, I missed him, guys. Fish down there. Oh, there goes my bobber. Oh shoot. There goes. Yes. Let's see. Look at this right here. He's got it. Yes! Got one on my probably not too big of a fish, doesn't feel too big. On the minnow. The minnow's been doing really good. Oh yeah, see, just a little guy. Ooh, the minnow's still alive, can still use them. Perfect. Oh yeah, they're just loaded down there. So, right here. Just a little guy. There's nothing really important. There it goes. Released perfectly. We're fishing about 34 feet of water today. Oh shoot, here's a fish coming out. Now this one. We're fishing about 34 feet of water. You want to be careful reeling these fish in because sometimes they won't release really good. Since we're in deeper water, due to pressure change, you're going to want to Here's what I'm using, just a pink tumbler spoon in the pink color. I also use the glow goldfish color. That works really well. There we go. Got him. There we go. Got him. He just raced up and nailed that tumbler spoon. Just nailed it. I'm wondering if this is a sunfish. He's going in a circle. Oh, nope, it's crappie. It's pretty nice. Just right in the mouth. Right in the mouth. Pretty good, Uncle Chris came out today. Good, really good actually. Oh.
You catching any?
A lot.
Where's the bucket?
What bucket?
You didn't bring the black bucket?
I forgot. I'm only keeping 2.
Come on.
There's a couple. There's got some. One right here. There we go. Got one.
Nice!
I went down right into the middle of the school and hooked up with one. Don't know what it is yet, but oh, it's crappie. What's crappie? It's a crap. It's VMC tumbler spoon.
Yeah, that's a keeper.
Got. Right here. Let's keep her. They're not too big on this lake.
Shoot! Save that one.
Got one. Oh, he's right on it. Oh, there goes my bobber. It's
yeah, baby.
And double. You have double.
I lost mine.
Oh, I
couldn't perform.
I got one on here. It's a nice crappie. Oh, maybe not. Oh, I'd say it's a keeper. No. That's
Why not? We get to our limit, we'll fish for fun, and we'll head home and clean.
Oh, fish. We got this one right here. So 12. God. The camera that I'm using is a Emerson Action Cam and an Emerson Action camera and this Sony Handycam. They both work amazing for filming this stuff. See, it's really low light in my house right now, but you can't tell if oh, here's a fish, because it's here comes one. There we go, there's one. Tumbler spoon. Oh crap, I got another one on my other one. Oh, shoot. Got another one on this one. Got another one. Twofer. They're down there, Dad. Get ready.
No one, this one's not.
There we go. Got 2 crappies right now, and they're both keepers. There's still a bunch of them. Oh, don't go to the hole.
Okay, be careful.
There we go. I got a bunch of them down there.
Yeah, baby.
Okay, we just got 3, so that's 3 more, so we're at 16 now. There's one of them.
Did you put one in?
There's
both of those.
There's one. Okay.
Hey, what's up? No, shoot, this is Bruce Johnson, not Buchert. Sorry, it's the Bucherts.
There we go, there's one.
Sorry, I know it's Buchert, I just give him a
tumbler spoon. Hey Dad, are you sure you don't want to switch to a tumbler spoon?
Dude, I'm totally fine. I love this.
God, I love these tumbler spoons right here. That's a throwback. Yeah, but see? Tumbler spoon. Right in his mouth. Perfect. Love them. I love these tumbler spoons. God, I love them. Come on, oh, there he goes. Just wadded it up.